Welcome students. Today this video we are going to talk about how to convert the decimal number into fraction. Okay. Previous video we talk about how to convert the decimal fraction into decimal number. Example, how we convert 7 divided by 10. 7 upon 10. It's a decimal fraction. Okay. How we convert it as a decimal number? We know the 7 we take left side, we put 1 by 10. Then 1 by 10 value, what's the value of 1 by 10? You know 0.1 is the 1 by 10 value. Just you multiply with the 7, you will get 0.7. It's a decimal number, but it's a decimal fraction. Now in this video, we are going to talk about the decimal number. Now we have to convert as a decimal fraction. Before we talk decimal fraction into decimal number, now we are going to discuss decimal number into decimal fraction. So as per that, you know very well here how many decimal places there? Only one decimal place is there. So if it is the decimal place is 1, what you have to do, you put the decimal after the decimal point. After the decimal point, what number it is there, you take as a numerator. So after the decimal point, the decimal part have 7. So you have to take as a numerator. So 7, so 0, only one decimal place now. So put 1 by 0. If it is decimal place value 1, you have to put 10. If it is decimal place 2, you have to take the denominator 100. If it is decimal place 3, you have to take a denominator 1000, like this way. Now 7 upon 10 is the fraction, decimal fraction. So it's a decimal number. I converted as a decimal fraction. So what I done, after the fraction at decimal point, I took 7 as a numerator. So here decimal place is only 1 is there. So I put 10. So if it is decimal place 1, you take 1 by 10. Or 1 or whatever may be, okay. If it is decimal place 2, you have to take 1 by 100. If it is decimal place 3, you take 1 by 1000. So this is the way I am going to convert the decimal number into decimal fraction. So let me take another example. Here decimal places are 2. So as per this rule, what I told you, if decimal places are 2, you have to take 1 by 100. Okay. So I told you after the decimal point, you take as a numerator. So 0.8 is the numerator. So there are 2 places are there. So I will put 100. 0.8 means the meaning, what's meaning? 8. So 8 by 100, 8 upon 100. So this is the decimal fraction. Okay. So let me take another example. 0.125. So how to, it's a decimal number. How to convert as a decimal fraction? So first I told you, you have to take, you have to check the after the decimal point, how many places are there? 3 places there. So I told you, if it is 1 place, you have to take 10. If it is 2 place, you have to take 100. If it is 3 place, you have to take 1000, like this. Okay. So here 3 places are there. So what I am going to do, after the fraction, after the decimal point, you have to take all the number as a numerator. So 125 as a numerator. So 3 decimal places are there. So I will take 1000 is the fraction. So if this kind of number, see 125 then 1000, if you can possible to simplify or reduce the fraction, you can simplify. So how I simplify? 125 is 125 is 125. Then 125 is equal to 1000. So 1 upon 8 is the answer. So some kind of sums you can simplify. If it is simplify, you can simplify that, okay, or else you can leave as it is. But I know how to simplify this. 125 is 125, 825 is 1000. So 1 upon 8 is the answer. Okay. So this is the way you can convert decimal number into fraction. Okay students, I am going to explain another example for convert decimal number into decimal fraction. How to convert a fraction? Okay. So I told you previous some examples. So here 0.8, here only one decimal place is there. So after the decimal point, what number is there? You have to take as a numerator. So I will take 8 as a numerator. So only one place is there, so that I will put 10. So 8 as the fractional part. So I take as a numerator. So why I put 10? Because decimal place value is only 1. So that way I put 10. If it is 2, I will put 100. If it is 3, I will put 1000. So 8 by 10. If you look at it, you can simplify this fraction. So if it is possible, you can simplify. So I will tell you how to simplify that. So we need to find out the LCM, least common multiple, 8 and 10. So first I will find out the multiple of 8. So for that I will do 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. So 8 factor 2 into 2 into 2 is a factor. So 10, I am going to find out the multiple. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So what is the multiple of 5? 2 into 5. If you see common, only the 2 pair of 2 is the common set multiple. 2 is the common factor. So it's a LCM. So for that I am going to divide both numerator and denominator. So what you will get? 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. Then 2 5s are 10. So 2 5s are 10. So 4 by 5 is the fraction, decimal fraction. Okay. So 0.8, if you convert as a fraction, 4 by 5 or 4 upon 5 is the answer. Okay. Then let me take another example. Example 5. I will take example 0.65. So how to convert as a decimal fraction? Okay, fraction only. Okay, so here 2 places are there. Decimal place value 2. So for that, the 65 it goes as a numerator. Then denominator you want to know. So that's why 2 places there. So I will put 100. So 65 by 100 we can simplify this. For this you have to find out the least common multiple. So LCM. So 65 I will divide by 5. So you know 13 5s are 65. So we cannot simplify more than that. So if you look at 65 as a multiple, 5 into 13. Then you have to find out the 100. So if you find out the multiple, so 5 means what? 25s are 5 20s are 100. Then 4 20s are 4 5s are 20. Then 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. If you look at it, the 100 multiple 5 into 2 2 5s are no? So 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. If you look at it, the both common multiple 5 is the common multiple. So you take the common multiple and you have to divide it by 65 by 100. So I am going to divide. So how many 5s are there? You know 13 5s are 65. Then 20 5s are 100. So 13 by 20. 13 by upon 20 is the fraction. So 0.65 if you convert as a fraction, you will get 13 upon 20 is the answer. So I hope you understand how to convert decimal number into fraction. So you do as the remaining exercise sum as a homework.